A pivot table allows you to see your data in a report format. You can choose which data value categories you see. First, you need to have your table of data. Here I have a data table representing sales in a store's department each day. First, we're going to click on any of the cells within the data, and then we're going to go up to the Excel ribbon and click Insert, and then Pivot Table. Excel will automatically highlight the entire data set. You will see a pop-up titled Create Pivot Table. We can choose some of our options here. The table/range are the cells you want your data to come from. You can manually enter a range or leave it if the selection is the range you want to use. Next, we want to decide where to put our pivot table. We could use the existing worksheet, but in this example we want as much room to work with as possible, so I'm going to select New Worksheet. It's already selected for me here. We're going to click OK. Now it automatically brings us to a blank worksheet. You may be thinking, where's the pivot table? Well, we aren't quite done. We still have to choose what categories we want our pivot table to display. First, let's name our worksheet. We'll name it Pivot. In this example, I want to find out how much money the baby department made throughout the entire month. So I'm going to choose Department and Amount. And the pivot table is going to show me the cumulative earnings of each department. So now I can see that over the course of the entire month, the baby department made $13,058.12.